Alright guys, oh man, today I went to another Walmart in my area. I finally found my first ever 2025 double pack, guys. I think I'm the first on YouTube to show this. This is the new packaging, guys. The Zombie and Pirate's Curse. Pretty cool Monster Jam logo. I love that packaging. The back as well. It's Horsepower versus Fast Throw Van, Thunderwords versus Son of a Digger, which I'm not grabbing those because I have them already. Monster Mutt and Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Collect them all. Real Truck Show Action Monster Jam. Series 32. That is so cool, guys. Diecast, true metal. Bottom has a new Monster Jam logo. Alright guys, go ahead and crack these open. And these are exciting. Alright. First, let's see the Pirate's Curse. Okay, normal Pirate's Curse body. Just yellow tires, white rims and beadlocks, green roll cage. Pirate's Curse, the pirate. I haven't seen a Pirate's Curse in a while. I'm glad they gave us another one, Spin Master. Pretty cool, I'm glad I got it as well. Pirate's Curse on the side, black chassis. Really nice, guys, a bandana. And then Zombie. We all know. Here it is, guys, Zombie. Yellow tires, white rims and beadlocks, green roll cage, black chassis. The Zombie as always, guys. We know the normal Zombie. Zombie face, the brain, green windshield. Kind of reminds me of the Zombie Invasion. Pretty cool Monster Jam logo. Zombie on the back, monsterjam.com. So yeah, guys, check your local Walmarts because that's where I found these. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you can, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.